Hey everyone, it's Austin from Drivepoint, and I'm super excited today to give you the first look at our new Smart Model Agent. We've been building models and doing tech stuff for a long time, and this is by far the release that I'm most excited about. So, lots more to come, but just to give you a quick overview, we're here at a Drivepoint model. This is a 3-statement model. It's a fairly complex model with a bunch of different subschedules. And we've got our Smart Model Agent over here on the right. Now, this agent is capable of doing all kinds of different work for us. We're not going to be able to cover it all today, but what I do want to do is just give you a quick sense of what's possible. So the monthly review tab here has everything that we need to know. The first thing to notice about the Drivepoint Smart Model Agent is that we don't have access to just one model. We have access to almost any model that we can think of. 4.7 will be coming out shortly, but we also have Gemini, GPT, and as the models continue to get better and better, we plan to support every model, including open source models in the future, to help you get the most out of your token cost and actually optimize across models for what the best use case is over time. So that's one big thing. You're not locked into any given model. We're giving you a harness that works across all the different model providers, so you can pick the best one today without locking yourself in and be able to pick the best one tomorrow as soon as new models come out. Really, really important capability. The next one is that Drivepoint is already connected to all of your core data. So we can do lots of different things that would be really difficult in Claude natively or in Claude for Excel because the context limits are too big or the MCP throughput's just too high. So we can ask the agent, what data sources do you have available? And it's going to go ahead and tell us all the data sources that are already connected that are sort of preformed and ready to go. So it totally understands exactly what we need. So we can see it's already recognized the type of imports. It's found the model. It's going to come back with a list of data sources that we can import directly. Great. So here's all of the data sources that we have available. You can see we have a ton here: QuickBooks, Amazon, Shopify, wholesale data, Sin7, and WMS data available. Just to keep it simple, I'm going to say, let's import the latest from Shopify, and we can see what that is going to get us. It'll probably give me a couple of different options here. All right, we don't have any defaults, so let's just do the, let's see, the monthly sales, number 6. All right, so we're just going to grab this monthly sales report right here, Shopify monthly sales. So it's actually going to go out to our database. Go ahead and import that data now. Yes, so we can do all that work without leaving the agent, completely update the model with all of the latest data without any issues at all. All right, so that data was successfully imported. It's all in here. We can review the data that was in here to make sure it looked correct. We can look in the other imports, or we can do anything else with the model. So a complete assistant that can update data, usually that means downloading CSVs from Shopify, pasting them in, maybe adjusting the mapping table. The agent was able to handle that entire task end to end for us without any assistance or any new uploads. The third thing that we really want to showcase is that this isn't just Claude being plugged in through the API. We've spent a ton of time actually providing the context and the skills to make Claude useful for you directly out of the box. So default bundled with the Drivepoint Smart Model Agent are more than 20 skills that are specific to CPG brands. So things like margin analysis, things like SKU rationalization, things like channel mix, all of these skills and ways of thinking about this stuff have been built in directly into the agent itself. And so we can see all kinds of different template skills. So each template in the model or each schedule has its own skill. And then we've also included a whole bunch of analysis skills as well as comparison skills, building new schedule skills, summarization, and a bunch of utility skills around cleaning, optimizing, and interrogating. These are the types of skills that we are using every day with customers in our day-to-day work, and we know that our customers are doing. So instead of having to write these yourselves, they're bundled directly into the Smart Model Agent. And importantly, again, those skills are portable across any one of these different LLM providers. So you're not locked into Claude. You own that skill content. You can update it, continuously improve it as we get better and better agents. So that's a quick run through of the Drivepoint Smart Model Agent. We're super excited about it. We think it's going to provide a ton of value for you. and really get you to the point where you can execute on all of these strategic finance tasks really quickly and get you to answers and insights that can drive margin and improve the enterprise value of your business without having to hire tons more people or do lots and lots of manual work. It's really exciting. We'll hope you give it a shot. Thanks.